Yo, what's going on, guys? Daniel or LAOC Exotics here, and today we are taking the SI over to South Coast Plaza and checking out the Ghost Squadron headquarters right now. We're gonna go see some Koenigsegg's. Let's hop in the SI and check them out. So there's 4 Koenigseggs right here. This is gonna be the first time I have my Honda next to a Koenigsegg on the road. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna chase them. I'm not gonna cut through traffic and anything. I don't want anybody to crash. So if they're just going, I'm not gonna be able to keep up, and there's nothing I can do about it. So I just want to get on the road with them, side by side, get some cool clips on the GoPro for you guys. And then once we get to the event, the cars will be sitting there. We can talk all about them and check them out. So there's a JP Logistics truck right here. There's a Bugatti in the back. I didn't see what kind it was. It looked like a Chiron, but maybe there's gonna be a Chiron driving with us too. That's dope. Let's go check it out. Interesting turn of events. There's another Koenigsegg here, a Koenigsegg Regera. This one's white. I've actually seen this one before. This is the one that Protective Flame Solutions did. Shout out to MF Autos. They just picked this thing up. Check it out. All white Regera, top down on the tow truck. That is so sick. All right, guys, so this is gonna be freaking crazy. There's about 13 Hypercars, I wanna say. 11 Koenigseggs, a P1, and 2 Bugattis. That's actually 14. 3 plus 11 is 14. Good math, good math. So there's a Bugatti Diva right there. On the left, there's a Koenigsegg right next to me. That's 4. Oh my goodness. Hopefully I can catch up to these guys. I'm in the very back. I should have probably went in the front. I'm not going to be able to catch up to them in my SI.
scared that there's a little flap
Oh
down
my
there.
gosh, here, I'll do
We
it.
got the expert right here, Mr. Koenigsegg Tech. Ooh.
Bruh. Race fuel.
We just rode in an MSLX, 1 of 10. This is number 9. These things are crazy. It's like a 570S on crack. All right, guys, interesting turn of events. We're gonna hop in the Koenigsegg. Hopped out of the Koenigsegg. That was freaking awesome. Leave a like just for that.